Summer is always a time of travel, and if you're watching this, I'm most likely traveling right now myself. So today, with our travel theme, we have a watch that is in partnership with Zero Halliburton, which is a luxury attaché, luggage, and bag manufacturer. If you aren't familiar, they've been around since 1938 and make high-quality products that even James Bond has used in The Quantum of Solace. Today's watch is the Seiko Presage SPB271Sharp Edge Series Zero Halliburton Limited Edition, which has a fascinating combination of the attaché case style exterior of Zero Halliburton cases fused together with the sharp edge Asanoha hemp leaf motif to create a fascinating dial. The question today is, will the SPB271 be a great travel companion just like the Halliburton case, or should it be left in the box at home? Let's find out. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you original and in-depth watch content at least once per week. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland. And it's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us now, I'll go over the watch's detailed measurements and features, and then I'll offer my personal opinion at the end. In our last video, I reviewed the new Seiko 5 GMT pieces, specifically the SSK003. These are just simply shocking at what you get for $475. I recommend checking this video out if you are looking for your first mechanical piece or just want a fun, expendable, but nice watch for the collection. Wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Seiko SPB271 Patty, which I really enjoy wearing on more casual days. I've equipped it with a Hirsch Robbie strap, which seems to be a pretty good pair with this piece, and I enjoy it a bit more than that original strap, which was just a little bit too long for me. Now, tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video, and make sure to tell me why. Now, let's get on to the features. The SPB271 has a 42mm case width, a 14.2mm thickness, a 49.1mm lug-to-lug, a 19.9mm lug width, a 33.9mm crystal diameter, and weighs in at 179.81 grams. The case is in a super hard black coated stainless steel. It's very angular and has high polish on the sides with matte finish on the top of the lugs. A non-screw down crown with the Seiko S can be found at the 3 position. The bezel is black for the nighttime half and blue for the daytime half. It is most likely aluminum with a hard coating over top. It has an even 24-hour grade on it in white, and it doesn't turn. The crystal is sapphire with anti-reflective coating on the inner surface. The sapphire crystal protrudes very slightly above the bezel and is flat, which will help protect your bezel from damage over the years. The dial is in black and has the Zero Halliburton strips merged into the traditional Asanoha hemp leaf motif texture. Seiko can be found in white at the top middle portion on a pedestal separated from the rest of the dial texture. The markers are rectangular and are in silver with a larger, more angular marker at the 12 position. The chapter ring is in all black with white minute markers. The hour and minute hands are Dauphine style and are in silver tone, while the second hand is also in silver tone. The GMT hand is an arrow style and is in white. A power reserve indicator can be found at the middle left portion, drawn in white with a silver hand, which indicates that this piece has a 45-hour power reserve. Presage and automatic in white and GMT also in white can be found at the middle right portion. The date complication is in a subdial on this piece at the bottom middle portion and has a silver hand that tells you exactly what date it is. Lume can be found on the hour, minute, and GMT hands, and also at the top of each dial marker. The caseback is open and has a smoked crystal with Zero Halliburton written right in the center of it. It has your limited edition number and a filtered view of the 6R64 caliber. The 6R64 caliber is a new in-house movement for Seiko and has a 45-hour power reserve, 29 joules, beats at 28,800 beats per hour, and has the power reserve, GMT, and subdial date complications. The bracelet is super hard black coated and is a 5-link design with matte finished larger links and high polished smaller ones. It has a folding pusher clasp and 1 hole of micro adjustment available along with 2 half links. The SPB271 is 100 meter water resistant. It's limited to only 600 pieces worldwide, comes with a cool Zero Halliburton case, and is ready to be your trusty travel companion for a wonderful $1,550. Now for my personal opinion. The Sharp Edge series pieces are really ones that I think have been overlooked. and I think they actually are really worth your time. This one in particular, after realizing the dial has been cleverly combined with Zero Halliburton's case style, I really think it's cool and attractive. It sits nicely on my 6.5-inch wrist, and I do think it is a good size. I like how it's all blacked out, and the benefit there is when you're actually traveling, attention is really a bad thing in my opinion, and I think that this one could go under the radar for the bad guys, but still make you happy when you look at it. I'll say that this is a great option for anyone who wants a sleek looking under the radar travel or daily piece, and who maybe is a Zero Halliburton fan, or would like to be a Zero Halliburton fan and want that perfect companion to your case. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with all of your friends and your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.